Welcome back to Coffee Infused Crypto. Today we're gonna go back into memory lane and I'm taking you to the 2019 fractal. I have this interest in searching for old fractals and comparing them to new fractals because history can tell us a lot. So I'm sharing with you what my findings. Check this out, guys. Back in 2019, and to be exact, in April of 2019, Bitcoin was moving up and created this fractal. Okay, so what happened is it created a lower high here and then found support over this support line and went up and created a higher high around here, came back down, found support over the same support line. At the same time, we were creating a higher high on the stochastic RSI while we were printing a lower high on the price chart. And in the second occasion, when we printed a higher high, we were creating or printing a lower high on the stochastic RSI. Okay, what happened later or after this fractal here, when we found support the second time, Bitcoin did the following, moved all the way up, bullish uptrend into the other second fractal, where once again Bitcoin created a lower high, found support over this, second time creating a higher high. At the same time, we were creating a higher high on the stochastic RSI and a lower high when we were printing a higher high. What followed the second fractal was another bullish uptrend. So if we want to take the two fractals from the base law of our first, we moved in percentage a 62% to the upside, to the lower high of the second fractal. And then from the second fractal, from the base of it, we moved again around, let me get this to the very extent, an 84%. So in average between 60 to 80% in each fractal. Okay, so 62 on the first one, 82 on the second one. And now if we want to compare those two fractals, and check this one out, guys, to today's time or price action. Where are we today? So this is where we are today. Welcome to 2023. This is Bitcoin going from in a bullish uptrend from the downside, okay, creating this lower high, this area, finding support over this upward trading support, going back again, creating a higher high, going down, retesting this support, and at the same time, we were creating a higher high on the stochastic in the first push and a lower high on the second push as we were printing a higher high. So will this 100% repeat? No. Does it have a higher probability or a high chance of history repeating itself? Most likely, but we're gonna see. We just keep our eyes open. I'm trying to, and will always do, try to share with you those interesting fractals back from history, and we're gonna witness it ourselves in real time, how history, if not repeated itself, might most probably rhyme. So if I wanna do a fun fun and kind of try to figure out where our move might go to. Let's take this fractal from here and trying to kind of predict. So we have this one. I'm gonna copy this or just take this fractal out. And this was from the first fractal in 2019. So we're gonna take it all the way back to our current time, right? So we're gonna do something like so, put it here. Okay, where did you go? Right, let's delete. Let's do this and paste it. Okay, there you are. All right, so we're gonna move it all the way up here. This was our first fractal in 2019. No, this was the first move. So we're gonna mark it around this area. And let's take the other fractal. This is the second one. I'm gonna just drag it this time so that we don't lose it. And put it over this area. Okay, we can as well change the color just to keep track of the differences. And yeah, if we want to take it, be conservative around this area. So that would be our second projection. So again, this is the daily, and those are a lot of days, 1, 2 to 3, up to a month. But we're gonna just keep an eye and see how close would we be to those two targets if Bitcoin is to repeat or if history is not gonna neither rhyme nor repeat. Just thought that this is something interesting that I'd share with you guys using the stochastic RSI, history, and some Bitcoin price action. Hope you stay safe, keep your options open. This is one continuation of a bullish prediction or analysis based on history for today. So we're gonna wait and see. Stay safe and see you later. Adios.